Some shocking facts about fast food you never knew. McDonald's is the world's largest toy distributor. A photoshopped ad lead to a new Arby sandwich. Subway was sued for short sandwiches. One BK burger was made with black Squid ink. KFC's secret recipe is super top secret. Subway's bread used to contain a chemical also found in yoga mats. Subway once held the world record for sandwich making.